The Oil Life Maintenance Reminder Light in your Subaru WRX alerts you when it's time for an oil change or other scheduled maintenance. This system monitors factors like engine temperature, RPM, mileage, and driving conditions to estimate oil degradation. It displays a wrench icon or maint message on the multi-information display. It's crucial to reset the system only after performing an oil change, as it predicts when your oil is nearing 0% life, typically every 6,000 to 10,000 miles. Resetting without changing the oil can lead to inaccurate alerts and potential engine damage. Newer models from 2020 onward may have percentage-based indicators, showing, for example, 15% remaining. First, ensure your vehicle is parked and in the on position with the engine off. Use the Info or Trip button on your dashboard to access the multi-information display. Navigate to Maintenance or Oil Life using the scroll buttons on your steering wheel or dashboard. Then, hold the Reset or Set button for 5 to 10 seconds to confirm the reset. Some older models before 2018 might require holding the odometer reset button while turning the ignition. Models with Subaru Starlink from 2020 onward might allow resetting via the touchscreen infotainment system. Always consult your owner's manual for specific instructions for your model year. Ignoring this reset can lead to issues.